Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome back to my video tutorial. My name is Najla Hurmantaza and you can call me Najla. Today I will show how I upload my coding project to GitHub. This project use CSS Grid. So and I open File Explorer. And in a new in the folder in CSS I open and local disk and I users and I public sorry guys and I and wait guys. So in the next in the sorry guys in next and I open the File Explorer and I the file into local disk and XMPP and htdocs and I the hello world project and I click right and I open with code. So this code in the open in Visual Studio and open in application and Visual Studio Code. Yeah. So in the file in index HTML and style CSS and I use display grid. Yeah. So and I properties to arrange elements. This is the code I will upload. So I first and the next and I open the web browser. Yeah. And I tap new tab and I the GitHub in the website in the GitHub in my GitHub and I write and I click and I repository and I in the new and I repository name and I the repository name and website in HTML in CSS in the name. So and I on the me in the public choose visibility and I create repository. So wait guys and the next pause in the important. So this is in the I will use Git comments to upload to GitHub in the main comments and are in I git init and I git add git commit plus and first commit the message commit and from git commit plus m. So and next I go to back in my Visual Studio Code. Sorry guys. So in the finish the open folder in Visual Studio Code and I click in the three tick and I terminal and new terminal. So in I type in git init the run in git add. So when first git init and next git run git commit plus m first commit. Sorry ya guys. And now I enter and next and I add the remote origin with the HTTPS URL to GitHub. So git remote add origin spasi and I copying the code in the HTTPS into GitHub URL and I paste and then I press enter. So then I run git branch and main and enter and I git push menu origin main. So in the code in the git remote and URL repository and git push you mean in I copying the code in I have not the code and I back to my Visual Studio Code and I blog and I paste. So and now is push show error message GitHub. So and enter and now and I go to back to GitHub and I refresh the story page. The code appears in the repository. The files from my local folder are now on GitHub. Yeah, and I refresh and in the code in the finish and so in the public in the repository and to GitHub, yeah. So sorry guys, wait, I'm wait and and now the repository page GitHub show introductions and green a button in the code and copy the HTTPS in address and I also copied the 3 or 4 comments, yeah, from the command line in the git in the code in my code in the git add and to take files and next I run and git commit m first min m and after git add. So that is to save change, yeah. Git commit first and first commit into save change, yeah, into save change. So and I do what is and so this code in the upload to GitHub, yeah, in this git comments are important in the code, yeah, in for use because they are the basic steps to upload in any project to GitHub. Yeah, with these comments, we can save our work, pass our code, and make our project safe online. Yeah. So the codes are important because yeah, in the this is the code in very important. Yeah, very important. Why? In because they help use upload a project to help correct every beginner solve know these comments and in so in the code in very important. Yeah. Uh, and I the back to my face code and I the check in the terminal and I the check in my code in the finish and good and very very nice. Yeah. So wait guys. And so my video tutorial to upload to project in my GitHub and repository. And thank you for watching my video and see you in the next video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.